Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Research Hour. This is me, Aisha Ghaffar here with another scholarship opportunity to share with you guys. So I hope you people are doing great in your lives. Let's get started this video. Actually, I am making this video for those students who are looking for scholarship opportunities, like as a BA student and as a MS and PhD student. So this video is all for you guys. And like before going deep into the conversation, I will let you know that I am making this video all about physics. So if you people are looking for another kind of opportunities, so this video is not for you. This video is only for physics students because CERN doctoral student program 2025 in Switzerland have opened fully funded scholarships, and the duration of these scholarships is up to 36 months, and the monthly allowance is 3,868 Swiss francs. So the deadline to apply for this scholarship is 24th November 2024. So this is the official website where you can find these scholarships. CERN Doctoral Student Program 2025 in Switzerland is the fully funded scholarship, and um, yeah, student doctoral like CERN Doctoral Student Program 2025 overview. That is like host country is the Switzerland organization, is the CERN, European Organization for Nuclear Research, which is basically connected to physics degree, and the duration is up to 3 years 36 months. Location is Geneva, Switzerland, and position available is approximately 40 to 50 doctoral students. So this is a huge opportunity for you guys if you like opt this scholarship. Like fully funded scholarship, and application deadline is 4th November 2024. I have already told you guys. So the major fields is like all the fields are about to related to physics. So applied physics, information technology, mathematics, electrical and electronic engineering, mechanical or civil engineering, instrumentation for accelerators and particles physics, like these all the physics related fields. Okay, so radiation protection science, communication, because CERN is kind of like CERN is a kind of organization where the mostly work done on the physics. So if you have a background related to physics, you are more than welcome to apply here. Okay, so financial benefits. If I talk about the financial benefits, the program offer comprehensive support like contracts 6 months and renewable up to 3 years. Okay, so first they will like take a contract with you guys for up to 6 months, and if if your performance will be good, and if they were satisfied, and if they are satisfied with your performance, then the conference will be the contract will be renewable up to 3 years. Okay, so monthly allowance, they will give you 3,868 Swiss francs net for off tax, and the travel allowance, they will give economy class air tickets. Additional benefits include potential supplements for married students or for those so with children, health insurance, 2.5 days of leave, paid leave per month. Okay, so CERN does not cover university tuition fee, and this is the most important thing you guys must know, that most of the time fully funded scholarships cover all the tuition university fees, all the like health insurance and all other things, but in this case CERN does not cover university tuition fee. Okay, the eligibility criteria, you must be a national member of associate member of the CERN. This is the mandatory requirement. Have started a doctoral program at any university, and or like you have a undergraduate studies completed transcript, and you have a good knowledge of English and French. Okay, so the next thing that I am going to share with you guys is the documents required. That which documents are you required to apply at CERN? You have uh, your CV, okay, a motivation letter. You have like written a motivation letter, and then most recent academic transcripts, are reference letter from your university or professor. It is mandatory. One or two reference letter are mandatory, and references letters can be uploaded by applicants or directly by referees via provided link. Okay, so you cannot you cannot put a reference letter by yourself. Your teachers should be upload the reference letter, okay, on behalf of you. And then how to apply at CERN Doctor Program 2025. Firstly, visit the official website, official CERN website. Link will be provided below in the video, so you can check, you guys can check from here. And then complete the online application form. This is the official website of the CERN. You can apply from like this website, and then upload all required documents, like upload your CV, your transcripts, and your motivation letter, SOPs, and all like reference letters, and all other things, okay. So submit your application before 4th November 2024. So the results of the recruitment process will be announced at the end of February 2025. So yeah, don't miss this chance to be part of educating scientific research at CERN. Apply now and take your first steps toward exciting career at NEST. So this is the official website. um, so like this job is expired, like this for this job I think they are not getting any kind of applications, yeah. But you can, guys can like search for other jobs, like other jobs means doctor students programs for and like at Switzerland, Geneva, full-time doctor students program. So um, you guys can check the link in the description below, and I will provide all links in the description. And yeah, that's it for today. I hope this video will be helpful for you, and let me know in the comments below if you have any other questions. So till then, Allah Hafiz.